Hello everyone, Z66, your underpaid, undertrained, undersure, and undertrained mechanic. And today we're going to be changing the oil on a 2019 Honda Pilot. You'll need a funnel, catch pan, a 17 millimeter for the drain plug, oil filter branches. This is a Napa Pro Select 27356. And you're going to need 5.7 quarts of 020 full synthetic. All right, let's get this ball rolling. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to pop the hood. Now we've got the car up on the stands and the car in park. So right here we've got the hood popped up, and there's a lever right here by the H lifted up. All right, your hood props there and it hooks in there. And I did this off camera, just it's hard to do one-handed. It goes there. Then we're gonna take the engine cover off, lift up here. Now right here is your oil cap, lefty-loosey. Gonna take that off and just set it to the side for the moment. Let's get under the car. So this is the front of the engine, and we're gonna come back, and right here is your drain pan. They even nicely say engine oil right there. Now right here is your engine oil filter. And I'm gonna have to pop this loose off camera because I just don't have a ton of room to hold this up and do this one-handed. But it's right here by your passenger tire. And here you can see what it looks like with that oil filter removed. You're gonna wanna put a little bit of oil around the oil ring gasket when you go to put this on hand tight. So you wanna do lefty-loosey. Your drain plug several times. And remember, righty-tighty when you tighten this. It doesn't have to be so tight. You don't want to break the pan bolt or anything off. All right, let's go fill it up with oil. Now here's the first 5 quarts is going to go to the motor, and we need to put 5.7 quarts. I'm going to be honest with you, I'm not going to film me pouring oil in the motor, but I've kind of got my funnel leaned up here and I'm going to pour from here. All right, we got the oil in. We're going to put the oil cap back on. And for your engine cover, you have these clips that it all sits on. I can't hold this and film it at the same time, but you just go in there and you'll hear them audibly pop when you get them in. All right, we're gonna start it up. I gotta replace the battery, but we got no low oil. That's a good sign. We're gonna back it off the ramps. Let it get level. And I'm gonna go up front and make sure we're not leaking underneath the bottom, but we're just gonna let it run, circulate the oil so I can check it in just a second. And there we go. I need to add just a little bit more, but we are almost right there at the line. I mean, honestly, it's fine. And this is not the levelest yard it's sitting on, so it's probably perfectly in line. But this has been Z66. I hope you enjoyed. Have a good one. Goodbye.